station. This is Paul. This is where you dump the sewage if you have a trailer.
Oh, that's good.
Well, when you go to campsites like this, you gotta have a place to dump it. Well, you gotta pay $7 to get in. So. Ooh, look at that. You guys want to play that? We gotta come here and play that. That's ball right here.
Oh wow!
Well, that's camp.
I want a trailer like that so we can travel all over America.
Let's go back to that ball there and play that ball game.
No, let's go to Karen.
Well, they're gonna want to play too.
Small people here.
Where is
Beach
Karen?
is over here.
Oh, right there.
I can't tell where we are. Oh, the rest of it.
This is a nice park. We just drove by here a lot of times.
So we've been here an hour.
Somebody here wearing masks, so
Well, it's fun here. So.
It's nice.
I mean, this is not really weird.
Well, it's not as bad as the last time we were there for
Josie.
2 hours. That was fun. Or 3 hours, I remember. And then I remember Paul was like, we're so sorry. I was like, yeah, we've been here all day. But it's okay.
Well, that place is fun too.
Yeah, but this place is, I Googled it and it
Hello.
says that it's
Hello, hello.
7 minutes from Utica to get to
You
the
ready?
falls.
Paul, catch him.
So,
Hey, hold on.
if other people come, might be in the mask. Because we can get sick and get you sick if we're around other people who don't wear the mask. There's nobody here.
You see me?
There's an enemy.
Enemy.
Good, nice. I like this park a lot. It's nice. And then you walk that way and there's a lot more water.
You know, if we get the disease, the virus, if we die, we die. You know.
Most
It's-
people don't die from
our
it.
life is in God's hand. You know. I'm not really worried anymore.
Well, if I die, I'd like to die in the house, not in the hospital. That's the problem. They try to make you go to the hospital.
Hi, Mom, and that's your mom.
I know.
Look at me.
Because a hospital, you can have
You're
any
going to be
relatives.
dying in a depressing place.
You can have any relatives like to go there and don't see you. So smell heat.
Yeah. Here you can actually see.
We finally get to play on the playground.
Yeah, we've been here for a while, but we can still play. And then we can put blanket there and sit by the water if you wanted
So
to.
we can go over there.
By the water,
Trail.
yeah. Yeah, because the trail that's on the right there by the parking lot is boring. I have the map. It looks boring.
Yeah.
It is a boring, and then to go there. Then the other place, like in the future, if they open it, it's only 4 minutes from here. I took a couple of pictures of the other falls. This is a little one. This is Little Falls.
So it means that nobody can go in here. There's things.
Swim in it.
George.
No alcohol.
No prohibited underwater swimming apparatus tubes. No animal permitted on bathing.
Do you think we can get the kids' pictures together about that big rock?
This thing came out. What is it? Jojo, look at mommy, Jojo. You in a movie now.
Okay, not too much, guys, because I gotta watch my purse.
Yeah, this is there. This is, can you watch the Karen's purse?
You guys, let's catch the minnows.
C'est la bière. Use this rocks here to throw it.
Why? But I want to catch fishes with a stick.
Huh? Look at mama. Come
I mean, I can't do it a lot because I was charging, but every couple weeks, you know, it's not bad.
Look, Mom, water.
I mean, this place is a good place to like
And it keeps going and going.
camping.
Yes, camping, fishing.
Stella, be careful. Stella, go swim.
Hey, wait, where? The beach or here? Yeah, they have extra clothes in the back.
Not deep water.
She did bring it. We don't have floaties, we have them in the car. But I have to go all the way to the car and get it.
Okay, wear it. Take off your,
But I don't think we're
your
gonna stay
skirt.
here like a long time.
Well, there's other
We
kids here.
survive.
Wait,
There's other
Isaiah,
kids here.
we can swim, but with
Isaiah and
and I
Caitlin
have no
left.
animals.
And there's bugs here. There's less.
Underwear.
Look, there's less of these annoying bugs over at the beach there.
Come on, let's just go.
All right, yeah, we're going back now, Stella.
Don't touch. Kick me, and then you kick like that. That's how you swim. Caitlin, touch.
Caitlin knows nothing about swimming. She's never been in the water in her life.
Well, she swims when she did that.
No, she doesn't swim.
Yeah?
She's afraid of the water. How she swim?
You remember she swam last time when we went to the beach?
She had a life jacket on.
I'm just gonna.
There, now you got it.
It's very hard. He never saw this.
Do you know what an excavator is, Jason? It's a cat. What those big machines. What are you doing?
He's trying it out because he never saw these kind of toys.
I never had one of these before. Nope, it's new for me. They didn't make these back when I was a kid.
No? It's just because it's only at parks, not at your homes, I guess. Kaylin, it's time to swim, not play! Or not, whatever you want to do.
You see me?
What
What are you doing? Recording me?
No, it's off.
Oh, it's on. I can see it, the red button.
Red means dead. Red is dead. Which means it's off.
My eyes on a foot red.
This red light means dead. Means it's not recording. Don't run the perimeter, Scylla. Nikki needs that perimeter. He needs to know.
Know what?
And knowing is half the battle.
I'm making it better.
Alright, that's enough. Don't be throwing mud, Scylla. Are you getting in, Nikki?
I'm getting it. Look, where do I put this?
What is that?
His username.
His username? Put it in the bucket or in your shoe. Put it in your shoe.
No.
Wait, don't put it in that bucket. Oh, and it's sliding. I got sick. Mom, I'm going to this spot. I got sick.
Yeah, at first they're like, get the fish. Here.
Wait, I'm going to the fish. I'm going to the sun. Yeah.
Beautiful here, beautiful.
I know.
That's how it is in Mexico, and probably in the jungles you're at, like all like water.
They have a
Problem is this, you know, not a lot of bathrooms.
people poop in
I wouldn't want it in the water.
yeah.
Scylla, don't go too far. The water is too deep. The water is deep in there.
Yeah. There's no fish here, Dylan. Maybe there's small fish, but not a big fish.
Nikki, when you guys get right there, be careful. That water right there is deep.
It's a nice river here. Waterfalls. Feel like you fall. Be careful. This water is not too deep, yeah.
Oh, down there, that's where the deep part is.
The fishy?
Huh?
The fish?
No, this is the deep part. I can feel it.
Oh, quicksand. Don't go down. Yeah, no. Don't do it.
That's a no-no.
I want to see.
Scylla, no.
Step in it.
No.
I didn't know they have a the thing over here, picnic thing. We could you know, drive over here, right?
I guess, yeah, but you guys want to walk instead of drive. Or walk. Oh, yeah.
Oh, now you film me. Now you film me. Give it back to yeah. Huh? Yeah, right here.
Is there?
I don't know.
Did you guys break it off? The one that...
They're just afraid of everything. That's why they come up with some random excuses.
Oh. Oh my goodness.
Let's go. Lay down. Baby. Come on.
We're done.
You need it back?
We're done. My shoe broke.
Oh.
It always happens to me every trip.
My shoes wet.
Did you bring extra pair of shoes?
Hey, when you get home,
Hey, kids! Silla!
Silla, what are you doing?
not even supposed to swim. What is that doing?
That's what she wants now. You want to go back to the car and come back?
I'm not coming back.
No. You want to go swim at the beach there?
They can swim. I have change of clothes. If they want that, I
You
have
go
other
swim.
clothes.
Hey guys, we are at this park here. It's really beautiful. It's got a park where the kids can play. It's got a beach. It's got a place where you can grill, and it's by the river. It's really nice, and I really love it. And it's a nice place to hang around with the family. It's a beautiful day today. It's really nice. It's not too hot. Just the right temperature. There's Jojo. Dito eh, kulang sa bulan.
Hey, Bridge Master, do you want to eat us? Recording?
Yeah. So you guys want to run? I'm right. So we're gonna do some running here. So let's see.
I think maybe you can, because it's not deep.
Sila, go. Run.
PlayStation?
Oh, yeah. Hey, what the heck? Let's go.
Don't clean your hair with that. Okay, come back. Come back.
What? What?
You can do it, Nikki.
You can do it, Nikki. No. Hey, I'm filming.
Can I get
Be part of the film or don't?
How do I get down?
Jump.
Yeah, we like to do it. Oh, no, that one's more for fun. Caitlin, it might be a little high for you.
Why are you scared? Come on, you're scared. Whee! This is fun. Ow! My butt hole.
Everybody's gonna attack the rock. Yeah, that's fine. Okay.
Hey, hold me.
I'm fine. Here. You gotta climb the
Where?
Here. Alright, then. Who's gonna help you out? Yeah, stay like that. There you go.
Mom, please.
It's so beautiful. Here, sit up there with Nikki.
Help me! Help me!
I'm the Nikki. Stand on like that.
Go with that.
Look at mommy.
Pose.
What about Caitlin?
Caitlin, get in there.
Here, the front here, Nikki. The front, Caitlin.
Caitlin, stand on the top.
Hey, I want to go.
So cute. Smile.
The face, guys.
The group is here. The group is here. Nice. You want me to get it? Just gotta put your hands. There you go. Gotcha.
I can hold on my phone.
Smile.
chưa? Chưa chưa? Chưa. Chưa.